Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to invest in acorns for beginners. Acorns is a great way to start investing, even if you don't have a lot of money or experience. It's a simple, automatic way to save and invest your money. Before we get started, I want to answer a question that I'm often asked. Is acorns a good investment? Acorns is a great way to start investing, but it's not for everyone. If you're looking for a hands-on approach to investing, acorns is not for you. However, if you're looking for a simple and easy way to save and invest your money, acorns is a great option. How does acorns work? Acorns is a robo-advisor, which means that it uses algorithms to invest your money for you. You simply set up your account and tell acorns how much you want to invest each month. Acorns will then automatically invest your money in a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. What are the benefits of using acorns? There are a number of benefits to using acorns. It's simple and easy to use. It's a great way to start investing, even if you don't have a lot of money or experience. Acorns is a diversified portfolio, which helps to reduce your risk. Acorns is a low-cost investment option. How to get started with acorns. If you're interested in using acorns, here are the steps you need to follow. Sign up for an acorns account. Choose your investment goals. Set your investment amount. Link your bank account. Start investing. Tips for using acorns. Set a realistic investment goal. Be patient. Don't check your account too often. Diversify your portfolio. Consider using Acorns premium features. Acorns is a great way to start investing, even if you're a beginner. It's simple, easy to use, and low cost. If you're looking for a way to save and invest your money, Acorns is a great option. Acorns website, https://www.acorns.com. Acorns blog, https://www.acorns.com/learn. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.